Watch how I turn this ceiling into the storm cloud ceiling. This is my attempt. First, I started with measuring out how many poster boards I would need. I needed a total of 6. I then started hot gluing the snow, cloud, cotton, whatever you want to call it, to the poster board. Once I started getting them together, they looked like this. We tried 2 different methods to see what would hold. We started with the duct tape, and then we applied the second one with flathead thumbtacks. We end up using the flathead thumbtacks for the duration. Once I got to this part, I traced out the part that needed to be cut so that the smoke detector could peek through. And that's how it looked once I cut it out. I then applied Christmas lights to the base because it was too heavy to lay across the storm cloud. And that's how it came out. This was night 1. And this is where I stopped on night 1 because I wanted to see how it was going to hold up until morning. So this is part 1 of my storm cloud attempt. And I'm going to show you part 2. Gluing the snow to the board was the most time-consuming part, but it was worth it. Tell me what you think.